how to fix DLL errors in Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, let's first open up the task manager. From here, select run new task, select browse, go to this PC and then open up drive C or the system folder. From here, go to Windows, select system32 and search for command.exe and open it and select OK. And after the command prompt has been opened, simply type in the command sfc/scan now and run the command. And if you do have any files that are corrupted in your system, the command will help you to solve the problem. And after this, type exit, go to start and run command prompt as administrator. And here, type gp update and hit enter and it will update the policy. And this is how you can fix the DLL errors in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.